Some of you may be wondering, how the heck could the stock of Tesla actually rally almost 3% today after reporting numbers that were seemingly disappointing? The core auto business isn't doing that well, but nobody seemed to care. Well, that's because Elon Musk knows what his investors want, and it's not great auto numbers from 2024. They want his vision for the future. Musk's a nonlinear thinker with a terrific grasp of showmanship. He knows how to come up with incredible ideas. He knows how to pitch them. And most important, he knows how to execute them. So Tesla's not rallying because of the numbers, which were indeed not that good. It's rallying because of Musk's extraordinary performance on the conference call. I want to distill it into two different buckets, the linear bucket and the nonlinear bucket. First bucket, Tesla didn't make enough cars last year. They didn't sell enough cars. You're crazy, though, if you believe that electric cars aren't coming and being bigger and bigger. Why? Because once Musk delivers better cars, newer cars, better technology, they'll start growing again, and he's going to do that this year. So why sell based on last year's numbers? That makes no sense. He's talking about robotaxis coming in a couple of months at Austin, Texas, and it's going to blow you away how much better they are than human taxis. He's made a very compelling argument. You simply can't stop the self-driving cars. They're the future. But that was practically a sideshow compared to my favorite part, the non-linear side of the conference call. And that was all about robots, the Optimus program. I guess his kids like playing with Transformers. Musk's talking about real robots, ones that can do anything we can do physically, but better. The trick is actually manufacture them. Musk laments that manufacturing ain't what it used to be. Too many lawyers and bankers. They should go make things. That's what he wants. He's whining about it. Most of us believe him, and I was both of those things. Still, he says his team can do all the hard manufacturing we need. The idea behind Optimus, the robot program, is simple. You'll have a robot that can do all the boring things that you don't want to do, all the hack work, all the dangerous tasks. As he puts it, quote, we expect to just close the loop with Optimus being used internally at Tesla because we obviously can easily use several 1,000 humanoid robots at Tesla for the most boring, annoying tasks in the factory, like the task nobody wants to do, where we have to, beg people to do this task, end quote. He goes on, I love this. It's like the robot is totally happy to do the boring, dangerous, repetitive tasks that no humans want to do. Musk says he'll make 1 million of these things with a cost to manufacture at less than $20,000 per unit. Now, by the way, it's always been something that Jensen Huang has predicted, and it looks like Musk will do it. At the very least, he's made a strong argument that he'll be the one to get it done. Remember, this technology doesn't have to stop at the factory floor. We all have plenty of things we don't want to do. Imagine having a robot to do your chores. Could it load the dishwasher? I'm always getting yelled at about the dishwasher because I'm terrible at it. It could be a marriage saver. Only the small-minded regulators could get in his way, especially when talking about robo-taxis and self-driving. But Musk tells us not to worry. The tipping point is almost at hand. It's simple. When we know for a fact that autonomous cars are much safer than humans, something he says will be obvious in a short period of time, then we'll all go autonomous. If any other CEO in America tried to pull off what he did last night, reporting a not-so-hard quarter and then trying to dazzle shareholders with a brilliant vision of the future, they'd all be laughed out of the industry. But Musk has such an incredible track record that when he says this stuff, people believe him, and I don't blame them. I believe him, too. He's made his investors so much money over the years. How can he not deserve the benefit of the doubt? Even if you hate Musk's recent move into politics, you can't deny that he's an incredible moneymaker. Why bet against him when you got Tesla so you can bet with him? I'd like to say, as always, a bull market summer. I promise I'll find it just for you right here in Mad Money. I'm Jim Cramer. See you tomorrow.